Hi guys, we're going to practice some more sounds, okay? Here's our first word. What is it? It's a queen. Queen. What does queen start with? Qu, qu. That's right. It starts with a qu sound. That's right. Qu. What letter makes the qu sound? Who knows? It's a Q. That's right. Did you get it right? Yeah, good job. Q says qu. Q says qu. Say it with me. Q says qu. Good job. Okay, here's another one. Ooh, what's this? It's a unicorn. 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 What's the first sound? Yee. Yee. Yeah, you. What letter makes that sound? You. Tell somebody. It's a U. That's right, just like it sounds. You. You says you. Say it with me. You says you. Good job. You says other things too, but that's what we're talking about today. Okay, here's another one. What is it? Milk. Milk. What does milk start with? What letter has the sound? Tell somebody. What is it? M. M says Say it with me. M says Great job. What about this? Those are keys, aren't they? Keys. What's the first sound in the word key? K, k. What makes the k sound? Tell somebody. K, that's right. K says k. Say it with me. K says k. Great job, guys. Okay, our last picture today. Turtle. 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 What's the first sound? T, t, t. What makes the t sound? Tell somebody. What is it? It's a letter T. T makes the sound T. Say it with me. T says T. One more time. T says T. Great job. See you guys later.